Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. So today I have brought Cognizant notification for 2022 campus hiring. So Cognizant is hiring through GNC Next. It is a program for Cognizant to hire people. They are offering 6.75 lakh per annum package, and the selection criteria should be skill based assessment followed by technical or HR interview. So you have to choose one skill from here on which you have to apply. Like if you choose advanced Java, .NET, Python developer, you can choose full stack software engineer, Java, .NET, digital user experience engineer, IoT engineer, data scientist, advanced C and Unix developer, AWS infra developer, Google engineer, cyber security engineer, performance engineer, and quality engineer. Suppose if you choose advanced Java, .NET, or Python developer, then you will redirected to be a PDF where you can see what are the requirements. The job title will be advanced Java developer, and the job description will be: we expect our employees to work with an open mindset and with the zeal to excel at everything that they do. Okay, and the technologies they are expecting are HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, basic Bootstrap components, object-oriented programming, and CRUD, create, read, update, delete operation in MySQL database, JDBC act to access database and perform basic operations, REST API, MVC components, Spring MVC, Spring REST and Spring Boot, and interpret microservices design principle and cloud computing basics, and code repository maintenance tool Git. And you can read about .NET developer. So almost the criteria are same. Rather, instead of Java, you need to have basic knowledge of .NET. And another was Python developer. In Python developer, you are also expected to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can read this description. Coming back to here, if you want to apply, you need to click on apply now, and then you need to register on Superset, create an account on Superset, and you can apply. So next, it is LinkedIn top company for career growth. It has obtained rank 19 on Forbes World's Best Employers list, and one of Fortune's most admired companies for 12 years in a row. Okay, then coming back to GNC hiring workflow. So first you have to register, then you need to give this skill-based assessment test, and if you clear the cutoff, you will be redirected to round 2 and GNC Elevate interview queue. If you clear GNC Elevate cutoff, then you will be qualified for GNC Next, and if you are suitable for GNC Elevate, then they will recommend you to GNC Elevate. So the criteria for 2022 batch are: students should be BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, IT students from 2022 batch. Students should possess consistent academic record with 60% or greater in 10th, 12th diploma, UG and PG, and students with standing arrears or more than 2 years gap in education are not eligible. At the time of joining, recruits should have an overall aggregate score of 60% or greater. And the documents required are college ID card, academic documents with school certificates and college semester mark sheet, government ID proof, and for interview you will require one resume, college ID card, and your academic documents, and government ID proof, Aadhaar card, passport, or PAN card. So this was the notification from Cognizant for Gen Z next hiring. Make sure you apply for it. I will give the link of this page in my video description. If you want to apply for more companies like Infosys, Airtel, Mindtree, Amazon, PayU, and many more companies, I have made videos on them. You please check out those videos and apply to these companies. And Uber is hiring for interns. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley are also hiring. So you apply on those companies from my video, and then you will be getting the proper apply link. And if you don't want to miss any of this job notification, you do subscribe my channel and like this video. Then my every video will come on your YouTube homepage, and you will be notified whenever a new job notification come, because it is more important to land up on your dream job than anything. So you please do subscribe my channel and like this video, and I will be posting videos regularly on job notifications. Thank you for watching.